I'm Harley J. What's up, you guys? It's me, Harley J, and today we're going to be doing a cool effect I like to call, well, I don't really have a name for it, just appearing. So having an empty room and then, or just no human, or just no, or just a room, or something, and then something appears in that room. Today I'm going to be the person appearing in my bedroom. I'm in my bedroom. So let's start it. So for shots, I'm going to start by just putting this chair in the background. Okay. So the first shot you need is, you of course always want to have good lighting. So that means making sure your exposure is perfect. This. And then for this, I'm going to first have an empty shot. So, okay. That is our empty shot. And now I'm just going to stand in the middle. Okay, there. We got our two shots. Now let's jump into Final Cut Pro X. Yes, we are using Final Cut Pro X today. And let's just edit it. So, we have our clips on top of each other. And now, yeah. So that's the first step, having your clips on top of each other. Now I'm going to go to crop, and we're going to go to top, and you can see how it kind of makes the subject appear. So we're going to bring it into the middle. Then we're going to go into the color tab and just kind of correct the two clips so they match up. And this is very hard to get perfect, but you can always do your best. This whole effect is just really hard to get perfect. So yeah. So now we're going to go into our effects tab and search for mask. And draw mask, add it onto the top one, and yeah. And now I'm going to go to my mask, and I'm just going to draw a mask around my lower body, and I'm going to draw all line around my whole body, from even the parts where you can't see it, just like that. And yeah, now I'm going to feather that mask a little bit so it kind of blends in. And now it just looks pretty nice. It's pretty simple. But it's only half. That's not doing anything. So we have to go back to crop. And in the beginning, we just want to have it just all the way like none, just like that. And then we want to keyframe that. So not at the end, but a little close to the end. There, yes, that's perfect. I'm going to bring it to there, and now we should have a nice effect. And I probably will put a link in the description if you want to download this clip. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Make sure to like and subscribe.